best Lost Goddess promo codes. In this video, I'll show you how to get the best Lost Goddess promo codes. So to get started, go ahead and open Google, and on Google, go ahead and search for best Lost Goddess promo codes. So on the results, you will be able to find the list of promo codes website where you can find the promo codes itself. So you basically find all of the updated promo codes that you can use for Lost Goddess. So open the very first one on the results, and from here you'll be able to find a list of promo codes that you can try out on Lost Goddess. So you can try this out on the website or the app yourself, since on this promo code website you can't find the result if you enter this code. And that is how you can basically find the best Lost Goddess promo codes.